hello to all our viewers. Today again we have come up with another very important topic on artificial intelligence and cybersecurity and the risk of AI. Artificial intelligence has been enhancing the cybersecurity tools for years. For example, the machine learning tools have made network security, anti-malware, and the fraud detection software more potent by fading the anomalies much faster than the human beings. However, AI has also posed a risk to the cybersecurity. Brute force, denial of service, and social engineering attacks are just some examples of the threats utilizing the AI. Today, we are going to have an in-depth discussions on AI, the artificial intelligence risk, AI in cybersecurity, and AI in the privacy risk. Firstly, as we have already discussed what artificial intelligence is, it refers to the development of computer systems that can perform tasks and make decisions that typically require human intelligence. Machine learning is commonly used as a subset of AI. ML algorithm and techniques allow systems to learn from data and make decisions without being explicitly programmed. The narrow AI and the artificial general intelligence. AI types of AI are considered narrow AI. Their scope is limited and they are not settlement. Examples of such AIs are voice assistant, chatbots, image recognition systems, self-driven vehicles, and maintenance models. What is generative AI? Generative AI refers to a subset of artificial intelligence technique that involves the creation and generation of new content, such as images, audios, and even videos. It involves training models to understand the patterns in existing data and then using that knowledge to generate new original content that resembles the data. One popular approach to generative AI is the use of generative adversarial networks, GANs, consist of two neural networks, a generator network and a discriminator network. Now, generative AI has application in various domains. For example, the image generation, the text generation, the music, and the audio generation. Since in the realm of cybersecurity, the generative AI can be both used as a tool and a challenge, it can also be for generating realistic system data to train the models and improve the security needs. But it can also pose risks when used for malicious purpose, such as generative convincing, phishing emails, of deepfake social engineering attacks. It highlights the importance of developing robust defenses and detections and mechanisms to mitigate the potential threats. Now, coming on to the next point is what are the risks of artificial intelligence in cybersecurity? Like any technology, AI can also be used for good or malicious purpose. Threat can be you can use some of AI tools designed to help humanity to commit fraud, scams, and other cyber crimes. Various type of cybersecurity threats that are generated by AI is firstly cyber attack optimization. Experts say that the attackers can use generative AI and large language models to scale attacks at an unseen level of speed and complexity. They may use generative AI to find fresh ways to undermine cloud complexity and take advantage of geopolitical tensions for advanced attacks. They can also optimize their ransom and phishing attacks techniques by polishing them with generative AI. The next is the automated malware. An AI like ChatGPT is excellent at accurately, uh, crunching the numbers. According to the Columbia Business School professor, ChatGPT can, already write code quite well. Now, this could be the tip of the iceberg. Future AI-powered tool may also, be developed with entry-level programming skills to create automatic malwares like the advanced malicious bot. What a malicious bot? A malicious bot can steal data, infect networks, attack systems with little to no harm on human interventions. But yes, in the future, when the future AI powered tools will be coming, so malicious bot is also going to be one of the risks associated. Now, coming up to the physical safety, as more systems such as autonomous vehicles, manufacturing and construction equipments, and medical systems use AI, risk of artificial intelligence to physical safety can increase. For example, an AI-based true self-driving car that suffers a cybersecurity breach could result in the risk to the physical safety of its passengers. Similarly, the dataset for maintenance tools at a construction site could be manipulated by an attacker in creating hazardous conditions. Now coming up to AI and privacy risk. In what was an embracing bug for OpenAI SEO, the ChatGPT leaked the widths of chat history of other users. Although the bug was fixed, there are other such possible privacy risks due to the vast amount of data that AI crunches. For example, a hacker who breaches an AI system would have the access to different kind of sensitive information. So privacy is there at the risk. Stealing the AI modules, since the networks are attacked, social engineering techniques are there. It is quite, it is very vulnerable. Anything can be stolen from the computers by the hackers. Data manipulations and data poisoning. While AI is a powerful tool, it can be vulnerable to data manipulations. After all, an AI is dependent on its, uh, you know, on its training data. If the data is modified or poisoned, an AI tool can produce unexpected or even malicious outcomes. Then comes to the impersonation. If you don't have to look further than cinema to see how AI powered tools are helping the filmmaker trick audience, for example, in a documentary movie, the voice, etc., can be created through AI generative audios. That is a trick. So this trick is definitely used in many, movie industries and by celebrities. That's a positive aspect, but it can also be used in the kind of crimes that are happening, the deep fakes, where the impersonation is happening, big scams are happening. Your CEO can call you up and say you to disclose some personal data of the company, and then you come to know that it was not the CEO, it was an impersonation by some cyber criminal. So this is one of the risks associated with it. Now there are more sophisticated attacks. It can be a mixture of a kind of impersonation, scams, poisoning the AI data, malware, etc. In a combination, it can be used. It can be used even for the reputational damage, the loss of the organization, the finances, even the civil penalties, and deteriorating the customer's relation. So anything can happen in such a case. Now, how to protect yourself from AI risk? While AI is a powerful tool, it can present some cybersecurity risks. Both individuals and organizations must take a holistic and proactive approach in order to use the technology safely. Here are some tips that can help you mitigate the risk of AI. The first is to audit any AI systems you use. Check the current reputation of any AI system you can use to avoid the security and privacy issues. Organizations should audit their system periodically to plug the vulnerabilities and reduce the AI risk. Auditing can also be done with assistance of experts in cybersecurity and artificial intelligence who can complete penetration testing, vulnerability assessment, and system review. Limit personal information shared through automation. More people are sharing the confidential information with artificial intelligence without understanding the AI risk of to privacy. For example, staff at prominent organizations were found putting sensitive company data in ChatGPT. Now, as we have already discussed, that there are ample information. Whenever a malware attack is there through the ChatGPT, there is a security risk. Then is the data security. As mentioned, AI relies on its training data to deliver good outcomes. If data is modified or poisoned, AI can deliver unexpected and dangerous results. To protect AI from data poisoning, organization must invest in the outing, edge encryptions, access control, and backup technologies. Networks should be secured with firewalls and intrusion detection systems and sophisticated passwords. Optimize the software. Follow all the best practices of software maintenance to protect yourself from the risk of AI. This includes updating your AI software and frameworks, operating systems, and apps with latest patches and updates to reduce the risk of exploitation and malware attack. Protect your system with the next generation antivirus technology to stop the advanced malicious threats. In addition, invest in the network and application security measures to harden your defense. Then is the adversarial training. An adversarial training is an AI-specific security measure that helps AI respond to attack. The machine learning method improves the resilience of AI models by exposing them to different scenario, data, and technique. Coming up to the next one is the staff training. The risk of AI is quite broad. Consult with experts in cybersecurity and AI to train your employees in AI risk management. For example, they should learn to the fact checks emails that may potentially be phishing attacks designed by AI. Vulnerability management. And then is the AI incident response. Despite having the best security measures, your organization may suffer an AI cybersecurity attack as the risk of artificial intelligence grows. We should have a clearly outlined incident response plans that converts the containment, investigation, and remediation to recover from such an event. The flip side, how AI can benefit the cybersecurity. That's another aspect. Now, industries are utilizing AI to enhance the cybersecurity as well. The governments, the banks, industries, they are using it for benefits. The first is the cyber threat detection. Sophisticated malwares can bypass standard cybersecurity technique by using different evasion techniques, but the advanced anti-software that can use AI and ML to find anomalies in a potential threat overall structure, programming logic, and data. So AI-powered threat detection tool can protect the organizations by hunting these emerging threats and improving the warning and response capabilities. Then is the predictive model. Cybersecurity professionals can go from a reactive to a proactive posture by utilizing the generative AI. For example, they can use generative AI to create the predictive models that identify new threats and mitigate risk. Such predictive models will result in faster threat detection, time saving, cost reduction, improved incident response, and better protection from the risk. The next benefit is the phishing detection. Phishing emails are significant threat vector with little risk. You know, the threat actors can use phishing expedition to steal sensitive information and money. So AI can benefit cybersecurity by enhancing the phishing protection. Identifying the bots. The bots can harm and take down the network websites. The software that leverage machine learning based models can analyze network traffic and data to identify the bot patterns and help cybersecurity experts negate them. Now, next is the securing networks. Attackers can exploit the data and infect the system with ransomwares after breaching a network. Detecting such threats early is critical. So, AI-based anomaly detection can scan the network traffic and systems logs from unauthorized access. Now, mitigate the insider threats. That is also another device through which AI can be utilized. Then is identifying the false positives. False positive can be exhausting for IT team to manage. The sheer volume of false positive can result in mental health challenge. They can also force team to legitimate the threats. The volume of false positives can be reduced, though with cybersecurity tools that use artificial intelligence to improve the threat detection accuracy. Such tools can also be programmed to automatically manage low probability threats and consume a security team's time and resources. The last but not the least, the IT staffing efficiency and the cost. Many small to medium sized businesses can't afford to invest in large scale in house cybersecurity team to manage the increasing sophisticated threats around the globe. However, if they invest in the AI powered cybersecurity system that works 24/7 hours to offer continuous monitoring, improve efficiency, and reduce cost. Such technology can also scale with the growth of companies' cost effectivity. In addition, AI improves the staff efficiency because it does not, it does not tire. It offers the same quality of service at all hours of day, reducing the risk of human error. AI can also manage significantly more data than a human security system. So these are the benefits and the positive aspects of the AI techniques that we have and how we can utilize it in